Ever wondered why some winters feel milder while others bring relentless snowstorms? The answer might lie in a weather phenomenon called La Niña, and it could significantly impact North Carolina's fall and winter this year. While terms like El Niño and La Niña are familiar to meteorologists, they can sound like a foreign language to the rest of us. But understanding them is key to predicting what kind of weather to expect in the coming months. Just recently, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, issued a forecast that's raising eyebrows: a 71% chance of La Niña conditions from October to December, dropping to 54% from December to February. But here's where it gets controversial. Does this mean North Carolina is in for a drier, warmer winter, or could it bring unexpected surprises? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is La Niña? It's part of a larger climate pattern called the El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO, which tracks changes in ocean temperatures, particularly off the coast of Peru. La Niña specifically refers to cooler-than-average waters in the eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean. And this is the part most people miss. Even though it happens in the Pacific, it can dramatically influence weather patterns thousands of miles away, including right here in North Carolina. Here's how. La Niña affects the upper-level winds that drive our winter systems. During a La Niña event, the jet stream, a powerful river of air high in the atmosphere, tends to become more active in the western and central U.S. Meanwhile, the Eastern U.S., including North Carolina, often gets left out in the cold, literally. The jet stream stays locked to the north, reducing the frequency of cold fronts and precipitation. So, what does this mean for fall and winter in North Carolina? 3 key takeaways. 1. Late-season tropical storms could linger. Weaker upper-level winds in the Gulf and Caribbean might allow tropical systems to develop later than usual. Remember, hurricane season doesn't end until November 30th, so staying vigilant is crucial. 2. Drought and wildfire risks could rise. With fewer upper-level disturbances, parts of the Eastern U.S. might face drought conditions. NOAA's Climate Prediction Center highlights areas like Virginia's Blue Ridge and the Shenandoah Valley as potential hotspots. Could North Carolina face similar challenges? 3. Snow lovers might be disappointed. Historically, 64% of La Niña winters in Raleigh bring below-average snowfall. But here's the twist. Long-range forecasts aren't always precise, and other factors can still shake things up. Here's the bold question. Is La Niña a reliable predictor of North Carolina's winter weather, or are we overlooking other critical factors? While these trends are worth watching, meteorologists caution that long-range forecasting isn't an exact science. It's more art than precision, especially compared to day-to-day forecasts. Curious about how all this works? Got burning questions about the weather? Send me an email with the subject line Ask the Meteorologist to cmichaels@wral.com. Let's keep the conversation going, and maybe even challenge a few assumptions along the way.